look at this beautiful Ferrari. This is one of our good customers. He brought it in for us. We're gonna use it in our auto show this year. So we had him bring it in. We're gonna do a couple of touch-ups, get it all ready and cleaned up and ready for you guys to check it out down in Pittsburgh. Over in the PPF bay, we have this beautiful, one of my absolute favorite, Audi RS7. Now this thing's a little special because it has the beautiful dolphin gray paint job, but the cool thing about it is the customer decided to go with the stealth. So what that's gonna do is the paint protection film is gonna go over the gloss finish and make it a flat finish, making it a one-of-a-kind RS7 for sure. Right here, you guys should probably recognize this. This is Justin from Horsepower Obsesses Corvette. It's here also getting a couple touch-ups before we have it in our booth at the auto show this year. Then behind it's this beautiful Bronco. This Bronco got a full Expel 10 mil wrap, and Caleb's doing the fusion coating on it right now. He has the wheels off, he's doing the inside of the barrel, and he should be done with that today, and it'll get back to the customer tomorrow. Over here is our friend Nick's Trail Boss. This beautiful thing looks as good as it's ever gonna get. Caleb went over the paint for about 8 hours, polishing everything, getting all the scratches and swirls out of it, and then coating it with an Expel Fusion 4-year coating. He's good to go, wheels are done, and he'll be picking up tomorrow. Over in the ceramic bay, curing is a 2020 BMW 330. This just got our 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Coming outside, we have a couple things in the back. You guys may recognize this Chevy Traverse. We did it for a Pittsburgh Steeler. We wrapped it this flat army green. It was in an accident, somebody rear-ended them, so we're going to redo the vinyl on the quarter panel, the rear bumper, and the rear hatch as well, getting it back to all flat green. Coming around to the front, we got some cool cars you recognize. This is the Lambo we're trying to talk Josh into buying. Hopefully, he just finally breaks loose and does it. And then beside it is this beautiful 2024 Mercedes Maybach. This is in for a full Expel 10 mil wrap, and then we're gonna finish it off with a 4-year Expel Fusion coating. Let's send it down to my boy Luke and Gibsonia and see how those guys are doing.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. In the ceramic coating bay, we have an F350. This came into us for some work from the body shop. It had to get the back passenger bedside and also the front bumper re-PPF. While it was in the shop, we paint corrected what was not paint protection filmed and coated the entire vehicle. In the tint bay, we have Ian doing a 2017 Audi A6. This is getting all the side windows, the back window, and the visor done in our Prime XR series window tint. In the back, we have Austin and Steve working on a 2024 Kia Sorento. This one is getting our 10 mil paint protection film, which is a lot more protection than our standard 8. This one is getting our track package, so the entire front of the vehicle along with the lower sides are protected in our Expel paint protection film. After that is done, we're going to be doing a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire exterior of the vehicle. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy to be here with you guys. We're going to be doing something a little bit different for today's What's in the Shop. I know normally we show you cars. Today we're actually going to get out on the water, into a shipyard as well, and show you some of the marine work we have going on this week. We are Miami, boat capital of the East Coast. Let's go check it out.
Alrighty, so what we're looking at is a feed ship 163 footer. The name of this yacht is called Totally Nuts, believe it or not. I can see the appeal. It is definitely crazy. Anyhow, we're going to be doing PPF in this swimming pool. We're actually going to be doing some removal as well. Previously applied PPF, I guess, was coming up. So we're going to redo it for the customer. We're also going to be tinting one of the windows in the kitchen. So we have Alfredo with us as well. As you can see him climbing in, getting ready to knock out this job. Let's go ahead and go inside and see what the workload is looking like. All right, as you can see, Amari is back here laying some 10 mil on top of this swimming pool. He actually jumped on the removal yesterday, so shouldn't be much longer before he wraps up this pool. Doing an excellent install as usual. We all know Amari does quality work. Look at this view. Wonderful. Afraid to have some tinting to do in the kitchen, so we'll leave Amari up here working. Let's go ahead and head down to the kitchen, like I said, and see if we can knock out this window tint with Alfredo. As you could tell, Alfredo is already getting this glass cleaned up and good to go before applying the new tint on it. Cleaning is crucial to tinting. Any speck of dust can go ahead and not give you the best install, so Alfredo will usually do this anywhere from 3 to 4 times to make sure it's perfect. So what we have here is a 2014 Chris Craft 36-foot Corsair. This one's with the hard top. Customer's gonna be tinting that front window, this back one, both of those. Sunroof as well. He wants to go ahead and use Expel full ceramic. We're gonna go ahead and match with this rear canvas back here. So should look beautiful when she's done.
What's going on, guys? Flat Glass Man here. I'm out in the field today doing some installs in the south side in Pittsburgh for our good friend Joseph. with Fancy Pants Popcorn. We did some frosted film on his office space to give him a little bit more privacy during the day, and we're looking forward to doing some more work in the building where he's at. So thank you guys. We'll see you next week.
Good morning, YouTube viewers. You know what today is. It's What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we're working on today. We just finished tinting this 2023 Ford Transit. Customer is going to be using it for business, so we did a 5% film on the back glass and then 35% on the front two windows to keep it nice and legal. Another one we have in the tint bay is a 2024 Ford Explorer ST. We did the front two windows and the sun strip on it to give it that nice all-around tinted look. As you can see, Tyler is finishing up a decontamination bath on this beautiful 22 Audi Q8. It's getting prepped for our 4-year Fusion ceramic coating, and this vehicle will look beautiful once it's done. I mean, just take a look at that deep blue color. Have a beautiful Lexus ES350 in the tint bay, getting 20% all around to give it a nice smoked look. All right, we have a 2015 Jeep Cherokee in here for some window tint today, doing the front two windows and the windshield, but just wanted to show you guys this. This is a prime example of why you should always use a color stable lifetime warranty film. The customer wasn't even aware that there's film on the vehicle. I mean, it is just about as clear as you can get. However, whenever you roll down the window, you can see this line where the film still has some color. So what happens is when the window is rolled up, it is tucked in this seal right here, and that shields the film from UV. And what that UV is doing to the film is it's ruining the color in it, and the only places that the film still has color is where it's tucked in the seals. So always use a lifetime warranty film. I know we do. We only use lifetime warranty film. So we're gonna go ahead, remove this, get some better film on the windows, get the windshield done, have this car taken care of and ready for summer. In the ceramic coating / PPF bay, we have this beautiful lifted 22 F350 dually. As you can see, Tyler is doing some paint correction on the grill area right now. We actually had to fix a couple rock chips, so he's just correcting that down, making sure that they're nice and smooth so we can put some PPF over them. As you can see here, it does have a matte finish with the touch-up paint, but once we put that PPF on there, it'll all look gloss. You won't even be able to tell that it's there. Back here, Gabe is getting ready to get this fender done, which this is very aggressive, so he's gonna work his magic, show his expertise on this one. And after this fender is done, he's gonna slide over to the next fender, get that one done, and then afterwards, this is getting a full 4-year Fusion coating to ensure that it's not only protected by PPF, it's also protected from those environmental related damages, as well as making it much, much easier to clean and take care of. And as you can see, St. Louis is getting busier and busier every day. And with the come time of spring, we are going to only get more and more slams. So you're gonna see better, newer, faster cars in here. We'll see you next week.